Hi everyone, Michael Rahm here, back with a look at what's new in the Collibra platform for August 2026. If your organization has invested in data governance, you already know the hard part isn't building the policy, it's actually enforcing it and making sure your data is usable by the people and agents who need it. Today, I want to walk you through 4 new capabilities designed to close that gap. First up, we're now delivering 80+ new out-of-the-box controls for Control Tower that cover AI governance mapped to the EU AI Act, NIST AI Risk Management Framework, and BCBS 239 risk reporting. These controls can be fully adjusted to match how your program operates, and Control Tower will monitor your most critical metadata on a schedule you set. When something fails, the right person receives an alert with the exact attribute that caused it, so remediation happens fast. With these additions, you now have more than 100 pre-built controls at your fingertips. Next, we've completely rethought the data marketplace experience for every data consumer in your organization, including AI agents. This release transforms the marketplace into a curated storefront for trusted, ready-to-use data products. Users can move from finding a data product to requesting access in a single, coherent flow, streamlining the entire discovery process into one unified experience. We've also introduced a new data products application. In one place, data product owners, managers, and stewards can centrally manage every data product they own across every lifecycle stage, not just what's in the marketplace. The application brings together a data product registry, a data contract registry, and a centralized dashboard so you can track adoption and maturity and monitor coverage, all from one unified view. And finally, this release sees Model Context Protocol, or MCP, for Collibra Data Lineage. As a refresher, MCP allows AI models and agents to connect to your data sources, applications, and more. Now, data engineers, analysts, and AI agents can ask questions about Lineage in plain language and get a direct answer drawn from governed Collibra metadata. No more tracing diagrams hop by hop. Together, these new features make it easier to find trusted data, manage it at scale, enforce your governance policies, and put Lineage to work for your people and your AI agents. To learn more, visit our innovation page at collibra.com/innovations or docs.collibra.com.